Good morning, everybody. So in today's video is going to be a very interesting one, and for those of you who actually have a body panel in your vehicle, it doesn't matter which one it is. If it's not the same color as the rest of the car, what you got to do is buy some vinyl wrap closest to that color. I'm talking about to the closest as possible. Look at this. All right, if I buff this out, and it's still dirty right now, as you can tell, very dirty, but I mean, you know what, it's very close enough. And not only that, this is going to solve my problem. The rear bumper is black, so now there's a mix match with this right here, which cost me 40 bucks online. Is going to be enough to wrap this whole bumper. And not only that, I get to save a couple $100, because you can only imagine somebody that doesn't have any connections or any resources when it comes to painting. So it's gonna cost you a lot of money, all right, if you don't have those resources or the hookup to have anything painted on a vehicle. So what's the next best thing? Would you rather spend hundreds of dollars or save up until you're actually able to do that while you still have the bumper the same color or any body panel the same color as your vehicle? Why you wait to save up for it to be done, professionally done? And there you go, everybody. I'm telling you, this is actually a really good solution, a quick solution too. Whenever you have a panel that's not the same, and if you can find a vinyl color that's actually almost the same, you can actually do it yourself from home, not even paying nobody else, for $40. Ain't that crazy? You got to do this. I'm telling you, this is actually avoiding hundreds and hundreds of dollars, just in case if you don't have them. There's not a permanent solution, because you want everything to be the same color. As you can tell, look, this one's way brighter than this white. I mean, you gotta, you know, make it fair at least. If this was buffed out, this could actually possibly be even the same color as that. But this is very dirty, extremely dirty. But I mean, like, look, this used to be black. This is way better than before. And you save hundreds and hundreds of dollars going to the paint shop. So not only that, you can actually save and not feel embarrassed too much. Me, I don't care. I just wanted to make the video for everybody.